Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to make a country in Infinite Craft website. It's not something difficult or it's going to take you a long time, just few seconds or maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes, and you're going to be able to make a country in Infinite Craft website. Okay, so now I am going to show you how you can do it step by step. So as you can see, I'm on the website now of Infinite Craft, and here I have the items that I can use. So I'm gonna start with water. Okay, then water again, I'm gonna put it here and fuse it with water. Now I have lac. Okay, so I'm gonna take it again, lac, and I'm gonna fuse both of them. Now I got ocean, so I am going to ocean again and put it here and fuse ocean with ocean, which is gonna give us sea. Now I am going to earth. Okay, I'm gonna fuse it with sea. I have island, so let's go and bring island again. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna fuse it with island. Now I have continent. So now what we need to do is to search for city. So I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, so that's it, city. So I'm gonna bring it here, and all I need to do is to fuse it with continent, and as you can see, that's it. Now I have country. As I told you, it's not something difficult. Just follow the steps that I showed you in this video and you're gonna be able to make country in Infinite Craft. This was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.